Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine, father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine, son.
Welcome to Father and Son. Well, son, welcome to quiz number 2. Very interesting. How did you feel about our last quiz challenge?
I like the quizzes.
Yeah?
The punishment, not so much.
Well, I'm glad you mentioned the punishment. Today, our punishment, we have 3 choices. We have some soy sauce. We also have a return of the yellow mustard. Yeah, we didn't try that last time. And also, again, we have some yellow, very spicy peppers. As for the rewards, we have some delicious chocolate and some cherries. Okay. As you know, we're going to ask a series of questions. If you're right, you can choose one of the delicious items. If you're wrong, you have to take a punishment item. We'll try to get the best of 5 questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
I'm ready too. Why don't you choose our question?
Which country has the coldest temperature?
Ooh, which country has the coldest temperatures? That's a good question. Well, we know how we do this. We confirm everything on the internet. Hey, Siri. Which country has the coldest temperatures? Oh. Here's what I found on the web. Sorry. Oh, I almost forgot. We forgot to guess. What do you say?
I would have to say North America somewhere, like Alaska.
Alaska is the United States. The question is, which country has the coldest temperatures? You say the United States.
No.
That would include Alaska.
Canada.
Canada, you say Canada has the coldest temperatures. I'm going to say that Finland has the coldest temperatures. You know, Finland is the birthplace of Santa Claus.
Is it?
Let's try this again. Hey, Siri. Which country has the coldest temperatures?
Okay, I found this on the web for which country has the coldest temperatures. Take a look.
Okay. Well, let's check the first recommendation here on the internet. And it says... it's the top 10. Top 10. The internet is searching diligently to find which country has the coldest temperatures. Here we go. Okay. As most of the world settles in for the winter months, let's see the 10 most coldest countries in the world. Number 10 is Mongolia. Number 9 is Estonia. 8, Finland. Ooh, I said Finland. Number 7, Iceland. Number 6, the United States. Oh, you were close there. And number 5, Canada. Yes. Number 4, Greenland. Number 4 is Greenland. Number 3 is Russia. Number 2 is Kazakhstan. And number 1, the country with the coldest temperatures is Antarctica.
Makes sense.
I was going to say Antarctica, but I didn't know. Is that a country or just a location? Anyway.
It's just the top of the world.
Yeah, all right. Anyway, okay. So, the answer to the question, which country has the coldest temperatures? It is Antarctica, but you said Canada, ranked at number 5. I said Finland. I think that was number 8. All right, I got the punishment. And you got a reward.
I'll have a cherry.
I'm going to have a spoon of soy sauce.
It's not going to be very fun.
I should pour it over my coffee cup to make sure there's no mistake. Oh boy. Yeah, okay, here goes. a spoonful of soy sauce, and you have a cherry. There's probably a pit in there. All right, here we go. Ready? Well, that's not so bad. Woo! Yeah, I like soy sauce. That's just a bit much.
Cherry's nice.
Yeah, I'm glad you like the cherry. Well, the score is 1-0. John Jr. has 1 point. John Sr. has none. Okay, we're ready for question number 2.
When was the bicycle invented?
When was the bicycle invented? That's a good question. What do you think?
I would say 1874.
1874. I have a feeling that's very close. When was the bicycle invented? You said 1874. I'm going to go with 1873.
Oh, okay.
1873. You say 1874. All right, let's find out. Hey, Siri. When was the bicycle invented? Searching.
I found an answer. It's displayed on your iPhone.
Well, thank you very much, Siri. The result is 1817. So I'm right. I'm the closer. 1817 is the right answer. The bicycle was invented in 1817. Very good. Well,
All right.
choose your punishment.
I'll have a pepper.
You're going to have a pepper? I'm going to have a cherry. Enjoy your pepper. Cheers.
Whoa.
Very sweet. Oh, don't make mistakes. That's pretty spicy, isn't it? Yeah. Cheers. By the way, you're drinking yuja-cha. I have coffee. Nice. Well, now the score is 1-1. Don't touch your eyes with pepper fingers. You'll regret that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, good. Let's have question number 3. I'll read this here. It says, okay. Tell me the name of any city or country in the world.
Ghana.
Ghana. Ghana. Okay, the question is, what is the population of Ghana? What is the population of Ghana? What do you say is the population of Ghana? That pepper was spicy, huh?
Yeah, it is. 6 billion.
6 million.
Yeah.
6 million people in Ghana. That can't be right. That can't be right. It's a big country. That can't be... Oh, that can't be right. How can I say in Korean language, that can't be right?
이게 맞을 리 없는데.
이게
맞을 리.
맞으리
맞을 리.
맞을래
맞을 리.
맞을리
없는데.
없는데.
Yeah.
이게 맞을 리 없는데.
Yes.
이게 맞을 리 없는데. This can't be right. This can't be right. Well, let's find out. Hey Siri.
What was your guess?
Oh, my guess. Oh, I forgot I should guess. I'm gonna say my guess that the population of Ghana is